If you're unfamiliar with the Points Guys, they're a widely known travel and blog website that generally talks about all things credit card miles and points related. And each year they have what they like to call the Points Guy Awards, where they hand out awards to the best credit cards, hotel, and airline companies of the year. And in this video, we're going to be talking about all of the categories that were awarded for 2023, briefly break down each card, and then give you my own personal opinion about them. And as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button to help out with the channel. And with that, let's start with category number 1. For this year's best travel rewards credit card, TPG picked the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is a $95 annual fee travel credit card that earns 5x back on travel through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal, 2x on other travel related purchases, 3x on dining, online grocery store purchases, and select streaming services, and then 1x on everything else. Other notable things about the Chase Sapphire Preferred is that it has a $50 hotel credit, Instacart Plus and Dash Pass subscriptions credits, and is widely considered the best beginner travel credit card in the credit card world. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is definitely a highly regarded beginner travel credit card, and while it did win the TPG Awards for both 2022 and 2023, I'd boldly claim that there are better options for this category. In terms of earnings potential, I just don't think that the Chase Sapphire Preferred is all that competitive. For instance, in terms of competition, the City Premier card is by far more competitive in earning more points in more categories. Plus, for a travel credit card to earn 3x back on streaming and groceries and dining, it just doesn't quite make sense to me. In my opinion, the only reason why the Chase Sapphire Preferred won this category in the first place was the fact that there could only be one unique winner per category, or else I'd argue there are definitely better choices. For the best premium travel credit card, TPG has picked the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. The Capital One Venture X is a $395 annual fee premium travel credit card that helps earn 10x back on hotels and car rentals via its own travel portal, 5x back on flights via its own travel portal, and then 2x on everything else. Other noticeable things about the Venture X is its $300 travel credit that's given out each card anniversary, and its 10,000 bonus anniversary miles and credit for TSA PreCheck/global entry. Additionally, the Venture X also has access to Capital One's Premier Hotel Collection, a handful of membership benefits, and Capital One's own lounge network, as well as 2 third-party lounges with the Priority Pass and Plaza Premium, and was named the best all-around credit card in 2022 Editor's Choice. While the Venture X had some minor setbacks over the past year, with nerfs to the $300 travel credit as well as their own version of the Priority Pass, I believe that the Venture X is still truly the best premium travel credit card on the market today, especially with it being an effectively free premium travel credit card with its credits and have extremely competitive earnings potential, but also being a fantastic catch-all credit card with its market competitive 2x back on everything. In addition to that, it seems like competition from other competitors like the American Express Platinum card are weakening due to recent changes to their terms of service, as well as the uncertainty that revolves around their products as a whole. Definitely highly recommend the Capital One Venture X for anyone who is looking to get an amazing premium travel credit card. It's definitely given me thousands of dollars in value, and I'm definitely going to be keeping this card for the foreseeable future. For the best business credit card, TPG has picked the American Express Gold Card. The AMX Business Gold Card is a $295 pending $375 annual fee business card that earns 4x back in your top 2 eligible categories, which includes advertising, dining, gas stations, transit, and or monthly wireless telephone service charges, 3x on flights and prepaid hotels booked through amxtravel.com, and then 1x on everything else. Other notable things about the card include a $240 flexible business credit that is incremented at $20 per month on purchases at FedEx, Grubhub, and office supply stores, and a $155 Walmart Plus monthly membership, and was named the best business credit card in 2022 as well. For me personally, business credit cards are definitely not my forte. I have done 2 videos in the past where I ranked business credit cards against each other, and even then I ranked the Business Gold Card as only a B tier credit card. Maybe it's because I haven't really tapped into the business mindset yet, but to me the Business Gold doesn't really provide that much value. Yes, it does earn 4x back on 2 business related categories, but the value you earn is capped at $150,000 total spend. Additionally, the Business Gold is going with the similar path that all AMX credit cards seem to be going down, down, and that's turning into a coupon book of credits that may or may not be suitable for your business needs. Plus, since the annual fee is increasing from $295 to $375, you're only getting a maximum of $395 in business value. It's not really that convincing for me to call it the best business credit card in the market today. I'd personally rather pick up something like the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, where the spending is uncapped. For the best no annual fee credit card, TPG has picked the Bilt MasterCard. The Bilt MasterCard is a no annual fee card that helps you earn 3x back on dining, 2x back on travel, and then 1x back on rent. Other notable things about the Bilt card is the special curated days called Rent Day, where the dining and travel credit multipliers are doubled for that day. Also, a special curated list of dining options in specific cities across the US, a special curated assortment of gifts and merchandise, as well as special events and bonuses on the first of every month, and was named the best no annual fee credit card in 2022 as well. The Bilt MasterCard is definitely an extremely competitive no annual fee card, and is the only card in existence that helps you earn points on rent while having no transaction fee attached to it. It's a card that I've only recently added to my wallet, and I can definitely say that I have definitely enjoyed using it. The rent day activities that Bilt curates is nothing that I've ever seen from a credit card company, and I can definitely feel a more bonded connection to Bilt because of it. Additionally, the Bilt MasterCard has an extremely competitive transfer partner list that in a lot of ways beats out even the best credit card lenders on the market today. For the best airline co-branded credit card, TPG has picked the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Card is a $149 annual fee card that earns 3x back on Southwest purchases, 2x back on Rapid Rewards hotel and car rental partners, 2x on local transit and commuting, 2x on internet, cable, phone services, and select streaming services, and then 1x on everything else. Other notable things about the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card is the fact that it earns 7,500 points every card member anniversary, a $75 annual Southwest credit, and 10,000 companion pass qualifying points boost every single year. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Card beats out last year's winner, the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card. If you followed the channel for a while, then you know that I personally don't like airline co-branded credit cards. Overall, compared to hotel credit cards, airline credit card benefits and earnings potential are extremely lackluster. But I'd agree and say that the Southwest Priority Card would be my top choice in regards of a good airline co-branded credit card for two main reasons. Reason number one is the $75 annual Southwest credit that effectively makes the card turn into a $74 annual fee card. Additionally, you get 7,500 points every card member anniversary, which can be valued at more than 1 cent per point, which would effectively make this a free credit card on top of the additional perks that the card comes with. Plus, one of the best things about Southwest as a whole is their companion pass offer, where after meeting the requirement, you and your plus one will be able to travel for an entire year on essentially a buy one get one free ticket. Not something other airline co-branded credit cards can say that they do. And finally, for the best hotel co-branded credit card, TPG has picked none other than the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire credit card. The Hilton Honors Aspire credit card is a $550 annual fee card that helps you earn 14x back on Hilton hotels and resorts, 7x on select travel booked directly with airlines or through amxtravel.com, 7x on car rentals, 7x on dining, and then 3x on everything else. Other notable things about the Hilton Aspire credit card is the complimentary diamond status, a $400 Hilton resort credit, free night reward vouchers after meeting spending requirement goals, a $200 flight credit, a $189 Clear Plus credit, and a $100 on-property Hilton credit. The Hilton Honors Aspire credit card beat out last year's winner, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. I definitely have to agree and say that the Hilton Aspire credit card is by far the best credit card on the market today, and it's definitely a credit card that I'm seeking to get next. The complimentary diamond status is by far more competitive and valuable than what other hotel credit cards are providing at this moment, and the value of the free night reward vouchers are just unmatched. I did hear rumors coming from Chase that they are thinking of creating a Hilton Aspire competitor with a brand new premium Hyatt credit card, but we'll definitely have to wait and see if it matches the hype. And finally, to wrap up this video, other notable awards handed out at TPG 2023 were the Best US Airline Loyalty Program Award, which was given to the American Airlines Advantage, the Best Hotel Loyalty Program Award, which was given to World of Hyatt, the Best Hotel Elite Status, which was given to Hyatt Globalist, the Best Travel Power Couple given to Global Entry and TSA PreCheck, amongst other awards. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and with that, thank you so much for watching. As always, stay safe out there, everybody. Peace. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics, such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.